guys, we got some viewer mail.
Let's check it out.
Yes. And if you want to send us some mail, by the way, if you want to send us a letter or a package to be opened on a video, just send it to Bargain Barons, P.O. Box 20055, Cornwall Center, Regina, SK, S4P 4J7, Canada. And we'll be happy to open your package or letter on camera.
Yes.
Okay, what did we get?
Okay, well, first we got this super old postcard. Looks old anyway.
It does. Even the back looks old.
Yes.
From Georgette in Oakhurst, maybe California.
Yep. Love the show. Aw, thank you.
Thank you so much, Georgette.
That's very sweet. I love the postcard.
Yeah,
So
it's
cool.
nice. I think we got a couple letters here.
Yeah.
Or at least one.
Oh, I guess I shouldn't turn it that way.
Wow, it's written in like calligraphy.
Yeah, it is.
Super fancy.
It is. Oh, it's just a long
handwritten
letter. Yes. Multiple pages.
We're not going to read the entire letter on camera, but we will read the entire letter.
We certainly will, yes.
And this letter's from Beth in, I think it's Greeley, Colorado.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the letter, Beth. We did give it a brief read here.
Yeah, but we'll read it in its entirety
Yes.
off camera.
It's so thoughtful of you to send us a letter.
It is, and it's a lot of it is about her personal life, so I don't want to read it on. But we love to get to know our viewers and what you're doing, what are you creating in your home, and just anything you want to share, and
even photos.
Exactly. Yeah, we love it all.
It looks like we got another postcard here now.
Yep.
Happy Easter. Oh, this is a little old. This one.
It's been here for a while. Yeah. Doesn't say who it's from.
Yeah, I'm not sure this actually says who it's from, but it's their first postcard to us, and they collect lots of Hello Kitty plushes and watches and fun learning games. And they have lots of math, maze, and Hello Kitty educational game videos on their YouTube channel.
Cool.
I wish they told us what their YouTube channel was.
I think it is up here.
Oh, is it?
They stamped it right over where the name of their YouTube channel is, so...
I'll find it, and
Yeah.
I'll put a link on the screen and in the video description.
They're in Phoenix, Arizona.
Cool.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
And they mailed this right in the middle of April, right between yours and mine birthday.
Yes.
So we probably got it right around my birthday.
Yep. Very cool. Thank you very
so much. And we'll go and check out your channel and let everybody else know about it. And then we got a package here.
Yes.
This is from Claire in, is it Sheffield, England? Wow.
Wow.
It's a long way to mail a package. Halfway around the world.
Yes. Holy smokes. Let's have a... Oh, I'm opening the wrong end here.
Oh boy. What did Claire send us? Looks like there's some goodies in there.
Yes. Ooh. Necklace. Oh, it looks like... Oh, and somebody made a brooch. So this... Very cool. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then a pin.
Lots of stuff.
A pin made out of a... Like, is that me or what?
Yeah, crystal.
Oh, yeah, made out of a chandelier crystal. Like, how pretty is that? I love it. Thank you. And then what's... Oh, here's another necklace. Look at that. Very, very cool.
What's the tag?
Handmade. Thank you. Handmade for you.
I wonder if Claire makes it then.
I don't know, but they're awesome.
There's
like,
a
look
card
at
here
that.
too, so.
That's gorgeous. I love it.
She did send a card. You keep going with that stuff. Hi, my name is Claire and I live in Sheffield, England. Began watching you while I was nursing my father. She's a collector of anything Victorian.
Oh yeah, me too, girl.
That's
me
our
too.
style.
Yep.
She made those pendants.
Oh.
They're made from Victorian nurses' belts.
That is, I knew they were something, but that is so cool. Now I like them even more.
And also a droplet chandelier crystal from the same period.
Yes.
And then she says also a camera item for Rob.
Ooh.
Although I bet he already has it. I don't know, maybe not. The Miniature Camera Magazine, useful notes and information. I don't know that I have this.
No.
I might have something similar, like that was produced by Kodak, maybe.
So it looks like you put your
But yeah, your strips of
film.
negatives.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. No, you don't have anything like this.
I don't think I've got anything like that.
That's really nice.
Do you want to show that writing to the camera?
So yeah, the negatives, I think, go in these things. And then, yeah, negative album it's called. That's really neat. Look there, you can see there. Negative album.
And thank you so much. She says she just wants to say thank you as we helped her through a difficult time, just our videos with losing her dad, but we helped ignite her love of history and treasures. So
sorry about your dad.
it is such a huge compliment to know that we can affect anyone's life in a positive way just with our little videos of us going out and having fun together, finding treasures. So it just warms my heart to know that we could have that positive effect on you, Claire. Thank you so much.
Yes, and that maybe we could take your mind off, bring a little joy in a very, very hard time.
Okay, and I think we have one more package down there. I'll take this over here.
Thank you. Wow.
Wow, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Thomas from... We don't know. Thomas from, it looks like Pennsylvania. Okay, let's get into this puppy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
There we go.
Yes.
I think I saw a letter on top.
Yes.
Karen and Rob, a couple of years ago, we sent a package with some treats for Rob. We know he has been on a diet lately. Not so much. So we are sending one of Rob's favorite snacks that are low in calories. Hey, thank you so much, Tom and Linda from Pennsylvania,
That's
from
so
Stevens,
nice.
Pennsylvania. Low cal. So this is a huge inside
is
joke.
So funny. Oh my god, it's
with,
full.
With
it's
me
so big.
and the plastic fruits. When Karen and I first met,
yeah,
and the first time you came over to my house, which isn't this house, it was a different house.
Yeah,
I had a plate on my dining room table, sort of a colorful art glass plate, and it had a bunch of fake fruit on it.
Yeah.
And you just thought that was the funniest thing because I was like a 20-some-year-old guy.
Bachelor.
And not a 60-year-old grandmother who would typically have this kind of stuff. I thought it dressed up the kitchen nice, but it hasn't been letting me live it down ever since.
It was just funny. I was just surprised to see it, I think. And then we joke about it. So every time we see it, you're like, ooh, ah.
There's all sorts.
I know, there's grapes.
That is hilarious.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, there's another pear. This is I got a green pear. There was a yellow pear there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that is too funny. There's apples,
There's
oranges.
Plum. This is incredible.
How long did it take you to find all of these? Oh my goodness,
we gotta get a plate.
Full.
We gotta get a plate and display this somewhere.
I think so. Just for old time's sake.
Yeah.
That is hilarious.
What else we got in here?
This has been collected for a while. There's quite a few pieces in
there's
here.
a tiny little apple.
Yeah.
Or is that like a green cherry?
A tiny little banana
plantain.
or plantain, yeah.
Ah, you guys.
That's too funny.
Thanks for making me laugh.
Yeah, that's gold right there.
And that's all we got today, you guys.
Yep.
So I know we don't do the mail openings a ton, but we don't get a ton of mail. So,
no, we like to have a few things.
Yeah, we like to sort of wait until we've got 5 or 6 things to show you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much to everybody who sent us a letter or a package. We appreciate you guys so much for thinking of us, for spending your hard-earned money to send us something and spending the time to write us a letter.
And finding it and just
so thoughtful.
Knowing what we like and, having that insight into our lives, and we do really appreciate it.
Like fake fruits.
Exactly. Like you really do watch, you know us,
Yes. Yeah.
That's how we feel.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, you guys. Thanks again. And until next time, keep your sticks on the ice.
Bye.